get trick. Different place this. Do a different type of review, like I'll do a different type of video. You get me? So never seen before. Gonna review the place as soon as I left the place. Alright, so tune in. Let's go and watch this. Welcome back to another review, guys. As I said before, different type of review. Just a review straight off the venue. So let's get going. We can start with travel time as usual. Travel time. Funny enough, we leave from St. Catherine this time. So travel time. Never seen that long. Around 30 minutes.
Maybe 40.
I think it's 30 minutes or 40 minutes. About 30 minutes from St. Catherine, around 30 minutes. I will take the toll. You know when you come off of the toll or the road stay. Saying this going down, my brother, you got bills 10.
Sir, that's the speed limit.
Christian, I'm recording.
Okay, let me go 40.
You can go 18, my friend, that's still fast, you know? You want to go bills 10.
Watch me drop it.
As I say, guys, sorry about that. I speed up again.
I'm at 80.
Admission. There is no admission, right? Because it's a restaurant, as I said. So you just go there. You know, restaurants say ask table for how much. Go there, go eat your food. So that's it for admission. Not really crazy. Activities, dining and takeout. Not have much activities. It's not like
and they have
somewhere
an ice
where
cream
people.
shop.
Oh yeah, they have like an ice cream part where you can eat some food. Jerk place, but them sell curry goat too. Christian all the time say them known for them curry goat. But boy, them have jerk pork, jerk chicken, fish, jerk sausage, curry goat, jerk rabbit. I never try that. Some never know if me like it. And them someday.
I've had it before, but it's not.
It tastes like chicken though.
It tastes like chicken. It's okay.
Move like chicken too. So yeah, that's it for activities, even though it's not. Spacing alright.
It's alright, it's pretty, yeah.
We'll go reach like maybe 12:20 or 12:30. They open at 12, so never reached that far off. So the place never did that full, but them spaced out.
And they had
I've been there. Huh?
They had the COVID protocols also.
Yeah, I've been there before COVID, and I don't know if the seating arrangement was the same. I want to believe it was the same.
It looks the same.
Yeah, because one thing they did itch up before or nothing like that. So yeah, the spacing good. The biggest table I see can seat maybe like 6 to 8. Yeah, maybe 6 to 8.
Yeah.
Like 3 on either side and then 2. Yeah. So maybe 6 to 8 for spacing. Expectation, as I said, I've been there before, so
we knew it
expect
would be good,
the food
right?
for bomb. The food is bomb. You realize I'm gonna skip something though. I'm gonna skip something, you know, I'm gonna skip it intentionally. I'm gonna let everything say you know I'm gonna skip it.
Please skip.
Let me soon tell them, man. Beauty. It is alright.
It's okay.
Like a bar place, like a restaurant, yeah, like a rustic place. Sit down from barrel and them thing there. Yeah, beauty.
But it still looks good.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that is the style.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So that's why it looks so good. And yeah, pretty much for beauty. Last one now. You still don't know what I always do in every video. Always. Food, Christian, man.
Oh. Zara was in love with the food.
Why?
I don't know what's about it.
Let me tell you what I'm order. Jerk chicken, boom. That's a what? Quarter pound. Order. Jerk sausage, boom. That's a what? A pound or quarter?
Quarter.
A pound.
Also quarter?
Yeah, quarter pound. What am I talking about? We go start again. Think I done yet? We go start again. jerk pork. Quarter pound.
I think he was pushing it at that point in time.
You don't know, say man, a killer. Is it? So I'm stay so now. Tell her on my sides. 1,
3 festival
3 festival, you know?
and 2 bami.
And 2 bami.
That's so heavy.
No, 1 bami. But bami them big. About so the bami them big, I never
Two
did know.
bammies?
No, a 3 bami I put in there.
Yeah, no, but if a whole bami
A
is
quarter.
4.
Yeah, so a quarter, then put them in the rest. The bami is in a quarter.
Oh yeah, it's 3 pack up for you, okay.
And pack up 3. Why? Only 1 of the bami them still.
And half of a festival.
No, me.
1 and a
me,
half.
Yeah, 1.5 a festival.
But they were pretty
So,
big.
Dog, festival them big like Cologne buckle. But now I tell you no lie, but
What kind of style that?
no, but I saw me that go for sure like so. Take your mind out of gut as my friend. Them bigger it's longer than my phone, but not as wide. So they about here so. On my phone and actually have some here so you know. But my hand dirty. But even though if I can't see in there, where do it so?
No, pull the top. Yeah.
If I can't see it, so it's a Christian food that she left off. Eat off everything. See, you see that? Eat off the quarter pound of jerk pork, quarter pound of jerk sausage, and the quarter pound of jerk chicken. See, bami them here, see festival them there. Big. And $50 for the festival, them I tell you, say,
Tell them about the pepper.
I don't even know, pepper bad too, but you don't know, say, I shell down the pepper still. Christian, I wonder how I do it. She said me that kind of sound different one time.
He was sweating.
Yeah, man, one time me that feel like me ears never had a word, brother. And me that go deaf, like the pepper wire me, till me can't hear. But, yeah, so we're back in a St. Catherine there. We still do the vlog by the way, so it's so weird. So see? They must see this now, but they don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know in due time. So, yeah, pretty much it for the review. Can't wait for go back. Wine shop, I tell Christian to pull up that brake and screw and we'll go back around it.
Tell them about the prices for the food. It wasn't
No,
bad.
$5.50 for jerk chicken and them some of that. Yeah, but that's 7 minutes down. I need to done the video. I don't need to go. If I not go, invite me. Here. So I can go again and enjoy myself and laugh up and drink some tropical rhythm and watch some ball.
You want a gift certificate?
Yeah, dog. For Christmas. Guys, tune in for the next video. Don't know where I go yet, but just make sure to say tune in. Oh yeah, of course I know where I go. I go Manchester.
My parish.
I don't really know which part of Manchester yet. I think I go. No, I can't tell. Next thing I'm gonna go lay away, man.
Sorry, don't say that.
But that's true if them know how I do my thing.
So they're gonna know when you're going and what time you're going?
Everybody know I got my thing early.
Oh.
As me I say guys, tune in with the over 100 subscribers. That great.
We have a giveaway.
Yeah, I have a giveaway I go on.
Yeah.
If you're not following on Instagram yet, follow on Instagram at journey_west876. And like I say, we start out the giveaway, is it? So yeah. Thanks for the support and love. Continue to share, like, comment and them things up on the video them. And yeah, hope you like the vlog. I don't know if I'm good at vlogging still. Give me the videography thing for do, but I tried. So yeah guys, peace.